In the second half of the first diamond, the creative process enters the second selective phase of ideation. At some point in both research and idea generation, you have to begin to converge. Which ideas would help visually communicate the client's brief's concept to the target audience? At this stage, what visual iconic qualities will help hook the target audience's attention? By seeking the answer to this through analysing and selecting the best ideas, the creative can also move forward to finessing their chosen visual language. When we use such a term, it refers to the visual qualities the creative employs to visually communicate. As we can see, as soon as a creative begins to finesse their rough sketched ideas, they are simply finessing the iconic building blocks of visual communication.